Hey YouTube, Facebook, Ryan here at AO Cleaning. We are on a tile and grout job today, and it's raining out here. Could be a little better weather, but let me show you what we're doing. Already got everything set up and pre-sprayed to emulsify the soil. Got my grout stick here available. We're letting it dwell, and show what we're doing. We're doing about 400 square feet of tile. And we got that area, as you can see it's emulsifying now. And gonna let that dwell and break up that soil. Then, tool ready to go, or spinner. Washing this bathroom area, as you can see it's emulsifying right now. But then once we let that dwell a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with our turbo force wand, and then we're gonna basically hit that at 800 psi at 200 degrees, and that's going to spin that, break that up, and go right to our truck. So, yeah, guys, you see something right over down, and we finish at the edging over there, and yeah, good. Stay tuned for some results. Alright guys, it responded well. As you can see, the floors are clean. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. And now we're about to seal it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that is sealed. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching.